Hi everyone, this is Dr. Serge, the nutrition scientist. In my first video, I mentioned that I wanted to help you guys with the confusion and all the fast data in the field of nutrition and health. In order for me to do that, I need to start with the foundation, the basic concept of science, which is the scientific method. This method consists of 7 steps. The first step is to ask a question. It could be a really simple question. For example, how does the size of a dog affect how much food it eats? As we have a question, we can research the question and come up with a hypothesis. The hypothesis could be simply as big dogs eat more food than smaller dogs. As we have this hypothesis, we need to test this with experiments. So we design experiments and then we gather data. We look at smaller dogs, medium-sized dogs, bigger dogs, and we see and look at how much food they eat. Based on the results, we can decide if the hypothesis is either true or false. If the hypothesis is true, we report the results. That's what scientific will do, is they will report results in some papers and in the literature, which we can have access to PubMed, for example. If the hypothesis is false, we need to go back to the hypothesis and change it. So this is the basic concept of the scientific method. But the most important step is this one. The results that have been reported in the literature has to be repeatable, meaning that if I find that smaller dogs eat less food than bigger dogs, other people should be able to repeat the experiment and come up with the same conclusion. So this step is the most critical when it comes to scientific method. And this is where a lot of confusion arises. And I'm gonna go into detail a bit more in the next few videos into why that's the case. In the meantime, thank you for watching. I'll talk to you later. God bless you.